6 unique benefits of money plant. Money plants are mainly used as indoor plant because of the foliage and rapid growth. They are known for their rounded, coin-like, seed pods. The leaves produce energy which is stored in developing root system. Here are 6 benefits of money plant. 1. Money plant is one of the best plants to purify air polluted with synthetic chemicals from furniture and cleaning solutions. 2. It energizes the home by filtering air and increasing oxygen inflow. 3. It is recommended to keep one plant near each computer, television, or Wi-Fi router. 4. Placing a money plant in front of a sharp corner or angle reduces anxiety and stress. 5. It also helps avoid arguments and sleep disorders. 6. Money plant activate positive energy in our day-to-day lives. It is recommended to plant money plants inside the house as they bring good luck.